Difference between the default instance and the name instance. So while installation of the SQL Server, we get the option of the instance configuration. In the instance configuration, we get the options to give the name instance. What is the default instance? First, we click on that default instance means when we install the SQL Server first time in a window. So that SQL Server by default it's taking the name MS SQL Server. So we don't need to give any name. So this is an instance. It's taken by default, so it's considered as a default instance. Now after that, if we want to install the SQL Server again after first installation, in that window only if we install another servers, so we need to give some name. Without name it's not it will not take, so it's considered the name instance. So here already I have created one instances. Let's see. So here is the this server is considered as a default instance, and the second one which I have created on the name, that is considered the name instance. So while we connecting the server in this window, so we can able to see here we get the option for the two. If you clicked on the browse, then we will get the options two. This one is default instance server and this one is the name instance servers. In the services, when we clicked over here, we can able to see in the services two services are running. One service is for the default instance and the another service is for the name instance. So hope you get the difference between the default instance and the name instance. There is one question for you, how many servers we can install in the SQL Server 2022, that how many maximum SQL servers we can install in the window. Just answer in the comment. Thank you.